Hello, my name is Jim Berry from Technical Associates, and today is another Wall Chart Wednesday. Now, this past few Wednesdays, we've been talking about a series of gear problems ranging from when the gears are in good condition, normal spectrum, all the way down through a whole series of other problems. Today, we're going to focus in on gear assembly phase problems. And this is a very serious problem which very few people know about in the nation or throughout the world for that matter. So let's take a look at gear assembly phase problems that can result in significantly shorter life. So what is the gear assembly phase frequency? Gear assembly phase frequency is equal to the gear mesh frequency divided by something called the gear assembly phase factor, N sub A. So what is this N sub A, assembly phase factor? Where N sub A in a given tooth combination equals a product of prime factors common to the number of teeth on the gear and the pinion. So over here, the gear and the pinion. So N sub A is a product of prime factors. Well, what are prime factors? Prime numbers, let's look at a list of prime numbers ranging between 1 and 31. That would include 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and 31. Here we have a 25 tooth bull gear and a 15 tooth pinion. So the trouble is that the common factor of 25 and 15 is the number 5. 25 teeth equals 5 times 5, or 15 teeth equals 5 times 3. So if you notice the ellipse around the 5, N sub A, the assembly phase factor for this combination, would be 5. So again, what's the problem of having an assembly phase factor? Let's call it N sub A, greater than 1. Here we have a 5. Well, with a 1, you have full gear life. With a 5, on the other hand, you have something on the order of about 20 to 25% of gear life, and that's not good. So what we're shooting to do in the gear world is to have all gears have an N sub A factor of only 1. If you have a factor of 3 or 5 or 7, you get significantly lower life. Sometimes you can't avoid it. In the case of 2-stage rotary screw air compressors, for example, you have 32 teeth meshed with 48, and the assembly phase factor for that is 16. So the life of that gear case is probably on the order of about 10% of the total life expectancy of the gear train. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Wall Chart Wednesday.